Hello, my name is Gaspod from Field Creator Studios. You might know me as CC Gould on Discord. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Gaspod collector mod for Subnautica. The first thing we need to do is build the SES Tech Fabricator. This fabricator holds all the kits required for our current mods, and is a must-have to continue creating the Gaspod collector. Now that we have the tech fabricator, let's head over to the Gaspod collector tab and build the Gaspod collector kit. Also, make sure you have a battery available because we need that to power the Gaspod collector. Okay, we are ready now to build the Gaspod collector. Let's head out of the habitat and find a place to build this bad boy. Okay, we are now ready to build the Gaspod collector. Let's pull out our habitat builder and head over to the exterior modules tab to find the Gaspod collector and build it. Looking at the screen, you can see that there are 4 buttons. The first button allows you to take one Gaspod from the collector. The second button is to dump contents of the container into your inventory, and any Gaspods that can't fit into your inventory will stay in the collector. The third button allows you to change the color of the Gaspod collector, and the last button on the screen will allow you to add batteries to the collector. And since we need to do this for the collector to work, we will start here. Now that the Gaspod collector has the power it needs, it will start to collect the Gaspods and protect you from Gaspod attacks while you're in the range of the collector. Don't forget, you can configure your collector in the configuration file located in the mod directory. I hope this video helps. If you need any more help, please do not hesitate to message us on our Discord or our Nexus page, and we will be glad to help you. Leave us a comment and tell us how you like the mod. Subscribe to us on YouTube and give that bell a punch. Track us on Nexus, follow our Twitter, and join our Discord to stay in touch with our studio. Thank you for downloading our mods, and we do hope you have an explosive day.